Aloha, everybody, and welcome to this introduction to the Learnworlds platform. Learnworlds is one of the large learning management systems, and I just want to give you a brief overview of what you find when you sign up for your free trial inside of Learnworlds. So this is basically the dashboard, and in the sign-up process, you're going to choose a site flavor. Don't worry about that, you can always change it. So I just want to give you a brief overview of the menu you find here in the side under My School. And don't be afraid to click because you can always go back. So one of the tabs you really want to pay attention to is the course tab. This is where you're going to create your first course by clicking Create New Course. And then we have the site builder here. And so if you are regretting the site flavor you picked for your course, you can always go into site flavors here. And that is where you will then be able to choose a different site flavor. And as you can see, I chose one already for this demo site, but I could also choose one of the other flavors if I would prefer to have a different flavor on my site. So that is something you can do. So there's nothing wrong in having chosen something and then decide you want to choose something else. So this is inside of site flavor. And also you can change the colors in your site flavor by choosing these different buttons here and take a look at those. So you can go to the theme explorer and then you can see this is the default template within this type of school site that I have chosen. And then I can choose to go with some of the colors that they have predefined as going well together, and also some of the fonts that go well together, and the different types of layout. And then I can always just try something out, see if I like it. And if I like it, I can save and close. And if I don't like it, I can just go out of it and see, no, I don't want to save what I just picked, discard and close, and I'm back to the flavor that is predefined. So again, if you need to go back to a previous menu, you can always find this little green button up in the corner. So when you go back, you get into the main menu again. And this is the main menu. You can see how the green button indicates where you're at. So here I'm in the site builder. And if I want to go back into the course builder, I just click on the course builder icon. And then there's also users, which is how you manage your users. There's the different integrations you can set up. You can also set up notification emails, and that's under the communication tab. You have different options for creating plans like bundles, subscriptions, and then you have a mobile app integration option as well. And this is your reports center. So this is where you would be able to track the user progress. And so far there's no users on this site, so this one is going to be empty. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So you can see that I'm the only person in the course right now because I'm the admin for it. And then this is the settings. So this is where you would also set up the payment for your course so you can actually start earning money on the course you create. So again, let's just go back to the main dashboard here and then look at the course builder. So if I click create a course, then I need to create a title for my course. And again, I can always change that. So I'm just gonna call this course test. And then it's gonna give an optional URL for the course. And I'm just gonna go with that because I want to, if I make a name that is longer, I might want to shorten it up. So the name of the course is not too long for the URL. And then I select what type of course it is. And again, you can always change this. So right now, I'm just going to put it into a draft course. And then here I can upload my course image. And I'm going to talk about that at a later video on how you can create your course cards so you actually get some nice images into this course card as well. And then there's also the options of designing your course page, which is the course landing page. And don't worry about it. Again, you can always navigate to these different pages inside of Learnworlds. And then you can create the course content, and then they have a newer test version where they actually provide AI assistance with the course creation. So we're just gonna go with creating the course content. So this is the basic course content overview, and up in this top bar here, you can choose different tabs that is gonna show you different things. So here we're just gonna start by creating an empty section or creating a new course. So again, the section title, that would be the first chapter of the course. So I'm just call this introduction. And then I can also add a little description to this section. So that's the first piece of content that I have added. And then I can add another section, which would then be the next chapter. So let's just call the next section for chapter 1. And then it's gonna populate. And so for adding activities into these different sections, you can click add activity, and here you can see you have a multiple choices as far as if it's a video you want to put in there, if you want to upload a PDF, if you have a SCORM package you want to upload, which is a pre-made package of files that then go straight into the course here. You can also add text, which is then the ebook. So you can create an ebook that go along with the course where you explain the different sections. And again, you can add assessments, you can add forms, exams, certificates, and so forth. So there's a lot of options for different types of content in here. So, and you can also have live sessions also. So let's just go to the basic video content. And here I would name my video, which would be welcome. And then I can save and then edit. If I had a video content uploaded already, I could either choose from Vimeo or from a video in the school already, or from a course video library. And so here I have not yet added any videos into the course library. So if I want to start uploading my videos that I've created for this course, then I would just click add one, and then I can add a video, and it's gonna go into my folder archive, and then I can choose the video that I want to upload. So that's basically how it works. So again, the layout, this is the pre-created layout for the course landing page here, and that's something that can also be edited. And then here's the content that I started to build out, and here's the access. So this is where I would explain or make changes to a paid course or coming soon or free, or however I want to set the course up. And here, if it's a free course, of course, you have no option of setting a price. But if it's a paid course, that's where you're gonna set the price for your course. In settings, this is where you can again upload your course image and create a description. And you can also see how the SEO preview is gonna look like for your course. And you can add SEO title and SEO description. Again, this is some of the things that's important to know because it makes it easier for search engines to find your course. And this is the course player. So this is again what the course is going to look like to the user of your course. So here you can choose between different types of course players. And again, you can play around with it, and nothing is changed unless you click save. So I'm just going to go back to the basic here and click save. And that's what it's going to look like. And then I can preview what the course looks like. So this would be the preview. Since I have not added any content yet, this is just the pre-created template that I would then have to change in order to customize it to my content. And then I can just go out of that. Again, the video library, I have not added any videos yet, but this is where the course videos would go, and then they would be connected to the content page over here. And this is the course dashboard where you are able to track your revenue and see the users and also see how much time they have spent in the course. And you can track how they're doing with their exams, certificates, and so forth. So again, back to the content page. So this is where you would then start building out the content, and you can add several activities into each one of your course sections. So I hope this is helpful, and otherwise you can reach out to me and ask any questions you may have and ask for other videos you might want to have, and also click subscribe on the button below if you like this content and would like to see more. And also, if you want to have a free trial of Learnworlds, you will find the link below that you can click, and then it will take you to your free trial of Learnworlds. All right, take care. Aloha.